Jatend duond bura mar UGM man mabende olap dhogendong ne kom mano mar kere pacho kae ka obio tim yiero higa mano manyien mano moluor David Maraga osiemo oganda jo Kenya ewi ka okanga mano mar biro chako yiero nyadichiel kendo e kom mano mar ker. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ka wacho ni ka oganda jo Kenya otimo makosa makamano to jatend piny Kenya William Ruto biro bedo ka kelo midhiero mano mathoth e pacho kae. Ne owacho weche gi kinde go mane entiere kaunti mano ma Homa Bay kama ne omole mar mondo mi oyaw apisi mar duond bura mare mar UGM. Ne oloso kama.
UGM is a national party. You know, it is this, what do I call it? This ethnic balkanization that is creating this confusion. We stop to think nationally, and even on very crucial things that we should think nationally, and as a result, we wanted to do like the zoning. UGM does not want it to be zoned. We are a national party, an ideological party. We are, as you can see, if you were to get to know these young people behind me, they are from all over the country. They are not from my backyard in Kisii. They are from all over the country. We condemn that and say, look, let there be plurality of ideas. Let there be people. I don't want to be heckled when I come here. I don't want anybody in Kisii and Nyamira, where I come from, to heckle anybody coming there. Let them come and give us their ideas. Let them campaign peacefully. In fact, we have gone to some counties in Kenya where people have, like where we went in Marakwet. Where was that place? Those people were so busy. Says, look, ZJ, go ahead and say what you want to do for Kenya. Nobody will interrupt you. Go and say, and we did that very peacefully. That's what we are asking, that we have a peaceful kind of election, campaign process, and move on as a united country. Is there any reason why our universities cannot be ranked among the best in the world? Is it because we lack, tutors and professors who teach? It's because those universities are not given the freedom of thought. They are not allowed to run the institutions the way they are supposed to be run. They are being micromanaged from State House. And as a result of that, you have a lot of problems. They are given mixed signals. They don't know what to do. With CPC and CPE, if we let the education team in the country to tell us what to do, because they are the experts, and we all embrace, get the parents on board, get the stakeholders on board, discuss it, and say, okay, fine, this is the way to go.